All right, we have our Monday update, and of course, the week starts off with Trump just making stuff up just to move the markets. Now, first thing he said was the biggest thing he said this morning was that them and Iran were having productive discussions. He loves doing that one. 27 minutes later, Iran completely denies all of President Trump's claims and said there's been no contact with the U.S. The S&P 500 falls as soon as much as $1 trillion after a $2 trillion pump, and it looked very similar for Bitcoin as well. Now, don't get it twisted. This was a liquidity sweep was going to happen regardless. Excuse me, as you can see, the 67,050 level was the next bottom level to touch for Bitcoin, and we got that touch. We started getting bullish divergences, as you can see in the market cipher B. Started getting higher lows in that action. Got a green dot and then a green dot blast off from 67K to 71K. Can we go to, can we retest that 75? I don't know. I think we come back into this little this red gap area here, maybe a little bit and maybe not, and it'll last into the end of the day, and we'll see how the market looks tomorrow night for Bitcoin. I restarted my short at 71,400 or added to it at least. But again, we'll see where that goes. And continuing on with Trump lying, he also said there's a lot of stuff he said that is just there to swing the market. It's not, none of it's true. None of it's, most of it is actually not happening. He's just doing it for Trump International and anybody who's following him, who he talks to closely, to make money. That's all it's about. That's all he's using the presidency for. Don't get it twisted, whether you like him or not. Greed is still a factor in all his decision making. With that said, going back a little bit, great time to buy silver. Silver actually hits, what was it, $63 this last night. Let's see, $62 this weekend. I saw it, or actually this morning I saw it at $63, and now we're back to $71. You have to buy these dips. The real support is $70, so we got a little dip under $70. So from here, without even doing much reconnaissance and extra research, we should be going up from here at least back to 80, in my opinion. We're going to re-solidify that $80 or that $70 support. Go back and watch the last video. We talked about several things to stay diligent with your money. We hit 76K, came back to 67K, and now we're back to 71,600. So it's this war is meant to sweep liquidity. Ultimately, USD is going back to where it came from, and it's going to go out to the war, quote unquote, war effort anyways, and that's going to take liquidity out from the stock market, from any other asset out there to keep the US dollar strong. Again, take a look at, just a reminder, if you want to mine daily without thinking about it, go here, go into Go Mining, and you'll find the referral link there, and within the mining channel, you'll find all the tutorials you can need to get started mining. And also an update on the betting swarm. The betting swarm is now much smarter, much more in-depth analysis given compared to just 2 days ago. And yesterday, I personally went 3 for 3. This entire system is going to become automated over the next few weeks. Hopefully I can get it there this week. And if you are interested in making a little bit of extra money, you just follow these, learn a little bit about sports betting, follow these bets, and we're going to follow the NBA through to the end of the playoffs. And we'll we'll take it from there. But this is just proof of concept that an automated business can be ran and still make money at the same time. So we're going to leave it at that. That's just a Monday weekly update. Stay tuned to all the social medias, Discord, Twitter, for more updates. Thanks. Talk to you later.